So how you can maximize your profits with Google Ads. So in this video, I'm going to show exactly how we are having 1,000 and as you can see here on my screen, $2,000 days with affiliate marketing using Google Ads. So basically how we generate leads using Google Ads, step-by-step guide. You will see exactly how it's done in this short video. So as you can see here on my screen, right, I had $2,000 a day, right, for $2,500 sales. So I made $2,000 commission. Now I will show you how you can use as a newbie Google Ads, Google pay-per-click or PPC, whatever you want to call it, to have results. And I will explain you also why you should use Google Ads if you want to get more traffic, if you want to generate better results with Google advertising. So let's go straight into it. So in this video, you're going to learn exactly what I'm going to show you right now. So let's go from the beginning. First, right, what I'm always showing to my clients and students is this. I have 6 models. So the first model is always with introduction, right? How you can beat advertisers. I'm talking about affiliate marketers, business owners online, right? By focusing on intention, right? With Google Ads, of course. How to catch the big fish where they hang out. As you know, people are always talking about TikTok, webinars, email marketing, Facebook ads. There are lots of ways, there are many different tools. All these are tools, right? But what is the most important thing is that you have to remember is this location of the fish, where the big fish hang out. You can go to ocean, try to fish for sharks. But if there is no sharks in that area, it's waste of money, time and energy, right? Same thing with affiliate marketing and Google Ads. If you are fishing, if you are putting bait out in the wrong area, you generate wrong leads and lose tons of cash. So very important to understand this. Quantity and quality is not the same thing, right? I always say quality over quantity. You can have 10 buyers, right? 10 buyers that you generated from Google Ads, and you can have 1,000 prospects that you generated, but those cheap clicks mean nothing if these people don't convert to buyers, right? So you have to understand this. Another thing is I'm showing you slipstream in search ads, right? How to find the best bait for fishing, understanding Google, because Google is all about intention, right? And interest. So basically, what is intention? It's buyers' intentions, right? They are there to search for information or secondly, buy the product. That's the only 2 things that someone goes to Google search to find something. Either it's intention by searching for information to solve the pains and problems, or it's to go there with the intention, with the mindset of a buyer to buy the product, right? So either one of those things. That's why Google search, it's so powerful when you have someone to guide you through step by step and show you exactly how to scale with Google Ads. Another thing is Google intention, right? Matching keywords in Google, match types ads in Google, right? And then fitting all the pieces together inside Google ad account. So I'm showing you tools for ad spend and everything else, and also how to set up campaign budget, very important, right? Simple but powerful Google search ads campaign. So you first of all, you're setting up a Google Ads account, and then you learn what is the conversion, plus also how does this everything relate together, and also coming up with keywords, right? Because we target by keywords. So next step is keyword research, 10 to 15 minutes, basically reports and search terms, everything you get from me, right? So you get keywords to go after. First, I call them SKAG, so you optimize for that, and then MCCC account, very important thing. When you understand those things, those terms, you'll be way more successful as a super affiliate, promoting basically affiliate marketing, Max Web, Digistore, I don't know, ClickBank offers using Google Ads, or even just generating leads for high ticket affiliate marketing offers. Very important thing. And once you have that skill set, that powerful asset, then you can win, because you have way more unfair advantage than everyone else who is trying to do all these Facebook ads and trying to mimic and copy and paste stuff, when in the fact, when you put this into action, you can have way more better results. Let's go further. So what is the pre-selling? I always say it's all about the landing page, websites, blogs, but you have to understand you have to pre-sell first. And there are 5 points I'm always showing my students to pre-sell. So pre-selling is the rare power to make people salivate over your offer before you even make the offer. So very important thing, right? you have to pre-sell first. That's why it's called pre-sale page. People are calling it landing page, and then they throw up all the products, showcase weight loss pills and everything, when in fact they don't realize it's not about the sales page, it's about pre-sale page, right? People want to buy on a different psychological level, right? Not as a buyers who go there to look for the product, right? Because it's not about the product review, it's about the pre-selling first. So power of pre-selling is very important. Another thing is why our offers work so well, why we can have $2,000 or $5,000 days promoting high-ticket affiliate system is because of this. Our offers create demand. The positioning create demand. Not the affiliate offer, but you watching this video, you create a demand. So webinars never create a demand, right? People are mistaken that webinars create demand, which is not true, right? Funnels, click funnels, Frankenstein funnels, they don't create demand. Phone calls also don't create a demand. Email autoresponders don't create demand. So traffic is not the answer either, right? Everything works, like for example with Google Ads. So it's not the demand. Desired is not the same as the demand. So your offer mojo, I call it offer mojo, turns desire into demand for you, your products, your services, like a clockwork, when you understand that. And timing, right? There could be written books about timing, but here is what I want you to see, right? Most online marketers, right? They lose lots of money and lots of time on ads. Why? Because they're missing the first thing, which is basically their timing is wrong. For example, right? You can see lots of people, they do 60 to 90 minutes strategy sessions. They're trying to create demand on the webinar, which is bad timing, right? The demand, as I told you, should be done before. If you pre-sell 5 points to the prospects, you don't have to do any webinars or phone calls, right? Even though you're selling high ticket offers, right? I can show you proofs. It can be done without webinars, without VSLs, and without phone calls. So once you understand pre-selling, your game will totally change. Another thing, as you can see here, if this is that I'm promoting, you have a traffic store, right? So before you even go and run Google Ads, you can buy solo ads, you have traffic store, and you have your own affiliate system. So basically links are done for you. Everything is done for you. They give you custom-made website, custom-made logo, custom-made autoresponders. So everything is custom-made for you. It's not copy and paste. So you can avoid all the shutdowns with Google. And then you can take that website that was done for you and you can plug and play in Google Ads. So very powerful thing because you can opt in, right? People will opt into your opt-in pages and get done for you, right? Email autoresponders, follow-up sequence. So you can generate those $2,000 or $1,000 commissions daily. Another thing is what to do next. So after watching this video, right, you know that it's Google Ads is all about intention, targeting the right keywords, having the right ad groups, and then scaling up. So if you want to have support and help with this, what you can do is after watching this video and subscribing to my channel, you can reach me out on my social media accounts, better also on WhatsApp or email. So all the links are in the description below. So you can connect with me one-on-one. And if you're serious, if you want to get results with affiliate marketing, especially using Google Ads, and have someone to basically holding your hand along the way, showing you how it works and doing it in the same time, right? So not just learning, this is not a course, not learning and watching videos, but actually taking action every single day and putting those pieces of the puzzles together every single day so you can have a peaceful, sustainable, long-term affiliate marketing business where you generate high ticket and even low ticket commissions. So it's entirely up to you. Do you want to promote clickbank offers or do you want to promote high ticket offers where you're getting paid from $500 to $1,000 to $2,000 per day affiliate commissions, which are of course paid directly to your PayPal, Stripe account, Bitcoin, or even wire transfer every single day. So depend on you what your personality type is like, what you enjoy more. So don't hesitate, don't procrastinate. You know if you need this, right? Because if you don't take action now, and you should by now realize that it doesn't make sense to wait, right? It's expensive to wait. It makes a lot of sense to get started today, to get started now, than waiting, because waiting is actually more expensive than taking action right now. Why? Because as you can see, our minimum goal for newbies, it's at least $1,000 to $2,000 per week in profit, not revenue, in profit, $2,000 per week. Why? Because if you're getting paid $500 or $2,000 per sale commissions, it doesn't take a genius, it doesn't take a Einstein to make one sale per week or even one sale per month, right? You're making $2,000 per month or $2,000 per week, it doesn't matter. So it's entirely up to you. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and get more helpful tips connecting with me in the description below.